In parts 1 and 2 of this series, I showed you how I like to organize my video projects and how to create an easy project template.
In this video, I'm going to actually create a sample project based on that template to show you how to put all of what we've discussed into practice. To start, let's make a copy of our project template folder. Now, let's name it how we discussed in part 1. Year-month-day underscore and then a quick project name. Next, I'm going to copy that name and rename our After Effects and Premiere projects.
Now it's time to import your footage.
If we just had one shoot for this project, all we need to do is create a folder for each camera that was used. If there were multiple shoots, I like to name each shoot with the same format I use to name my projects and list my cameras beneath that. If this is a film project, you might instead like to organize your footage by scene. Now, when it's time to start editing, make sure you keep your sequences in the Sequences folder. It's also important to name your main sequence the same as the project, again in the same format we've been using. Now, let's say we need to create a new motion graphics animation. Let's go ahead and open After Effects and get to work.
I create a lot of animation templates for myself, so I have a special folder within my After Effects projects called Reference Projects.
Anytime I import an existing After Effects project into a new After Effects project, I keep it in there. I personally really like to use the dynamic link capabilities between Premiere and After Effects, so I'm going to import our composition right into Premiere. If we were to render it out, we'd import that render and keep it in the renders bin. But for now, we'll keep the compositions in the linked compositions bin. Now, it's time to export. We're going to export our project to the #finals folder in the main project. If my client and I get through a few versions of the video before getting to a final, I organize each of those exports in the previous versions folder. That way, the only exports in my finals folder are the current versions of the project.
And that wraps up this whole series on organizing your video projects. If you follow these simple guidelines, I can almost guarantee that you'll never open a Premiere or After Effects project to see all of your media unlinked.
If you're interested in a career in filmmaking, music production, animation, or even mobile app development, acting, makeup, and more, check out MediaTech Institute. They're an amazing and very hands-on school that offers incredible programs on each of those career paths. If you're interested in getting a jump start in your media career, go to mediatek.edu and be sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos.